Hey, this is Bimlesh from College Dunia, and today I am with Dr. Rita and Kumar. She is HOD of Biological and Environmental Science Department from NV Patel College of Pure and Applied Science. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, ma'am. Ma'am, today I'm here to take your interview, and it's my pleasure that I am taking your interview. Before moving to our questionnaires, ma'am, I would like to have your brief intro.
Yeah, sure, why not? I would like to introduce myself as I'm Dr. Rita and Kumar, working as a head of the department in this NV Patel Science College, and I'm working here since 1997. So you can say since inception of the college I'm here, and I have completed 30 years of teaching service. Also, I'm a research guide and I have produced 15 PhD in the subject. And so our subject is undergraduate program in this college, that is the subject of environmental science.
Okay. That's great, ma'am. Now moving to our questionnaires, ma'am. My first question to you: what is the latest program that you are offering in your institute which helps students outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
Since this college is the College of Applied Sciences, so all the courses which are offered over here at our college, they are obviously outstanding than the other general subjects. We don't offer the basic sciences, but the applied sciences, and so environment science is one of that. Apart from that, there is biotechnology, genetics, bioinformatics, instrumentation, industrial chemistry. So these are the courses which easily you cannot find in any other college.
Okay, sir, ma'am. What will you say the best practices in the course you are offering?
The course of environment science which is run by this college, I would say that the students who are offering these programs are provided the exposure to various extracurricular programs also. For example, apart from the academics or the curriculum classroom teaching, we take them to different industry. We provide the exposure, how is the work atmosphere, what they learn in the theory, how is it possible in the practical. They get the understanding of the effluent plant, they get the understanding of the tissue culture laboratory by practical visit to this. So this is the best part, that the practical knowledge is accompanied along with the theory knowledge.
Okay. So you talk about practical. So my next question to you will be, ma'am, what are the types of projects that the students are working on through this program?
Good question, Bimlesh. The science or environment science students, they have as a part of their curriculum, the 6th semester, they have to complete their dissertation program. And for this dissertation program, we select the topics which are of the current relevance. And that's why the burning topics regarding the solution to the environmental pollution, those kind of topics are selected, and the students are given the guidance by the concerned teacher, and they complete this program in the final semester. Let me read out some of the titles. You can see here I have this year's work and a number of theses. You can see this kind of dissertation theses are produced by the student. Let me read out one or two titles for you. This is the phytoremediation technique. How to solve the environmental pollution problem using the plants. So our students, they have found out some useful species which are the weed species, unwanted plant, but how to make use of this plant and to remove the pollutants and contaminants from the wastewater or waste soil. Another one I would like to show you, this is the treatment of the sewage water, right? So that is also a big problem for treating the wastewater. So we can treat the wastewater so that it can be reusable and recycled. So number of such topics are selected and given to the students, and they complete the dissertation work which will be evaluated in the external practical exam also.
This shows that apart from students, even faculties are also working very hard. That's why you are getting
This is all extra our work for the faculty member also.
So means from both the side, you are they are putting efforts. That's why you are getting this much good results, ma'am.
Yes.
So my next question to you, ma'am, how does this program ensures that students are being prepared for the future?
As I showed you about the project work, you can just understand that when the project report is to be prepared, this is a scientific way of preparing the report.
Yes.
So, what is the introduction, what is material method, and then the result and discussion and summary, how to write it scientifically, and whatever work is done, how to get the literature survey and all this training is being imparted during this dissertation time. And so whatever job they will be offering in the future, this will be a very good useful soft skill we are developing, and that will be definitely going to be useful, and this prepares them for their future work.
Okay, right. Now, my next question to you, ma'am. What are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
Yes, as the students complete the BSc program in Environment Science, they have wide opening. But generally the students prefer to go for the master degree program, and the master degree program is also available in the same university. So they can complete the PG program in Environment Science and Technology. Once the students complete either UG or PG program, they have the big offer available in the industry, because from Ankleshwar to Ahmedabad, the whole golden corridor that is full of industries. You know, that is the highest, our state may be the first state in the whole of the India where the maximum number of industries are there, and there is a demand of environment science student, and so companies, they themselves send us the letter. Many times we call them for the interview over here, and they get they select the students of UG as well as PG level. So this is one good opening in the industry. They can enter into the academics also by completing their B.Ed or their PhD. PhD program is also offered in this college, PhD in environment science. And also the student can have their own consultancy. Students can join the number of NGOs which are run for the environmental conservation.
That's quite great, ma'am. Wonderful. My last question to you, ma'am.
Sure.
Any valuable advice or suggestion you would like to give to students for them to have a prosperous career?
Well, the students in these times, they are much focused in whatever they would like to pursue their career in the field. So this field is a broad field, and so they can enter into any of their choices. Completing this course, they can enter into the wildlife also, they can enter into the industry also, they can enter into the academics also. So I would advise the students that you focus yourself, you first decide your target, what you want to become, and then you can choose the proper subjects. Definitely the selection of this subject will be very good and brighten their career, that I am for sure. And so I suggest the student to go for selection of this subject, as it is of much demand. The government people will never talk about any scientific subject in their talk, but definitely they will talk about the environment and climate change.
Exactly.
So this is a suggestion from me, that yes, you come ahead and select this subject.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time to us, and thank you so much for giving such a valuable insights and valuable information about this course, because many students are not knowing about this course, and so it will be great that they choose and opt for this environmental science subject. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Vimlas. Thank you so much.